Find or read reviews that people are talking about Kincubow garage heater 10,000 watt. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. High power electric garage heater. 10,000 watt mighty garage heater, 861 square feet equals 80 square meter heating coverage, maximum airflow 1605 cubic meter per hour, dual power settings 10,000 watt, 34,121 BTU/7,500 watt, 25,591 BTU. You can choose it according to your needs. 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit heating temperature range and the fan-forced design help to distribute warm air throughout the room, evenly warming every corner. Precise temperature control. With a built-in thermostat, this heater for garage can maintain optimal temperature in your space. The unit has an energy-saving system with a designed Eco program. Eco mode will automatically adjust the working mode to save energy. Equipped with variable mounting angles and adjustable louvers, you can easily direct warm air to anywhere you want. Safety electric garage heater. ETL listed space heater, fully enclosed motor and overheat auto shut-off protection. Kincubow always put your valued customer at first. Also, we used SPCC cold-rolled steel and durable heating elements to make sure our electric garage heater is well constructed and can withstand the demands of various working environments. User-friendly garage heater. Intelligent LED heating control panel and 1 to 9 hours timer function is much more convenient for your heating control. With the help of the remote control, you can adjust the electric garage heater from a distance. Operating sound is less than 68 decibels, so you can concentrate on your work without being affected by the electric heater for garage. Space-saving installation. Our electric garage heater can be mounted on ceiling and wall. It doesn't get in the way of other things and is safer. Ideal garage heater for garage, warehouse, workshop, basement, shop, and home gym. Note: power cord is not included. Minimum 6-gauge SJO or SJTO copper type wiring required. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.